Take a moment to check out the 2023 Ford F-150. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or a little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, front massage seats, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated rear seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.